In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a privacy policy on Getresponse. Adding a visible privacy policy to your landing page isn't just a formality. It helps build trust with your visitors, and in many cases, it's required for compliance with privacy regulations and ad platforms. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a quick and simple way to add a privacy policy link to your Getresponse landing page using the built-in editor. First, log into your Getresponse account and head straight to your landing pages. At the top of the dashboard, look for the section labeled Tools. Click on that, and from the drop-down, choose Landing Pages. This will open a list of all the landing pages you've created in your account. Find the specific landing page where you want to add your privacy policy, then click on Edit Page to open it in the editor. Once the landing page editor loads, you'll see your page in the main area and a toolbar on the right-hand side. That right-hand toolbar is where all your content elements live. To add your privacy policy link, you're going to use a basic text block. Look for the text block in the toolbar, click on it, and drag it onto your landing page. A good place to drop this text block is near the bottom of your page, usually in the footer area or just above it. That's where visitors typically expect to find legal links like privacy policy or terms of service. Once you've positioned the text block, click inside it to start editing. Now type the words privacy policy in that text block. Keep it short and clear. You don't need to add anything else in that specific element. After you've typed the text, use your mouse to highlight privacy policy. When the text is selected, look at the formatting bar that appears above or near the text. You'll see a small chain icon, which represents the link option. Click that chain icon to open the link settings. In the link field that appears, paste the URL of your existing privacy policy page. This could be a page hosted on your website or any dedicated privacy policy URL you already have. Double-check that the link is correct, then confirm to apply it so that privacy policy becomes a clickable link. When you're happy with how it looks, it's time to push the changes live. Click on Next Step in the editor, review any final settings if needed, and then click Publish. Your landing page will update, and your visitors will now see a clear, clickable privacy policy link at the bottom of the page.